KTM has unveiled the EXC Champions Edition, a special model celebrating the brand's dominance in the world of enduro racing, having claimed hundreds of titles globally. This limited edition machine comes adorned in KTM's iconic orange racing livery, paying homage to its successful past in championships such as the World Enduro Super Series. The bike features top-of-the-line WP XACT suspension, high-performance Brembo brakes, and upgraded components, ensuring it delivers both professional-level performance and an ode to the brand's winning legacy. KTM has long been synonymous with success in enduro racing, dominating the global stage with countless wins in various competitions. The EXC Champions Edition was crafted to honor that incredible heritage. Its signature orange color serves as a visual nod to the hundreds of victories KTM has earned across various championships, from world-class events like the FIM EnduroGP to the extreme conditions of Erzberg Rodeo. This edition is not just about aesthetics. KTM wanted to create a bike that embodies the spirit of their championship machines. The EXC Champions Edition packs advanced components designed for top-tier off-road performance, appealing to both professional riders and serious off-road enthusiasts. KTM's EXC range has been known for its robust build quality and cutting-edge performance, and the Champions Edition raises the bar even higher. The bike is equipped with WP XACT air suspension, offering riders an adaptable, precise suspension system that performs optimally on the most rugged terrains. Whether navigating rocky trails or high-speed forest sections, the WP XACT system delivers responsive control and comfort. For braking, KTM has opted for premium Brembo brakes, providing consistent stopping power, crucial for enduro racing's dynamic conditions. The lightweight build of the bike also contributes to its nimbleness and agility, giving riders an edge in competitive settings or demanding terrains. The EXC Champions Edition features KTM's race-proven four-stroke engine technology, ensuring both power and durability. The engine's high torque and responsiveness allow riders to tackle extreme off-road challenges with confidence. Moreover, the bike incorporates KTM's latest electronics, including traction control and ride modes, giving riders the flexibility to adapt to different surfaces and terrains. This model isn't just a regular production bike dressed up in racing colors, it's a tribute to KTM's unmatched racing legacy. Every component of the EXC Champions Edition is built with performance in mind, allowing it to handle the rigors of intense off-road use. The bike's sharp handling and powerful engine combine to provide a thrilling ride experience, even in the toughest enduro environments. KTM has confirmed that the EXC Champions Edition will be released as a limited edition model, further adding to its exclusivity. Fans of KTM and the broader enduro community are expected to flock to this bike, not only because of its performance potential but also for its connection to KTM's historic success in racing. With this special edition, KTM reinforces its commitment to dominating the off-road and enduro markets while celebrating its years of success with a model that exemplifies all the qualities that have made KTM a leader in this field. The KTM EXC Champions Edition isn't just a motorcycle, it's a celebration of over hundreds of enduro titles won by the brand. With its high-performance components, cutting-edge technology, and a design that exudes championship DNA, this bike is the perfect tribute to KTM's enduro legacy. For enthusiasts and professional riders, the Champions Edition offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of KTM's illustrious racing history while enjoying a top-tier off-road experience.